Do you know that you can make money from Amazon affiliate marketing? If that sounds like something you would like to know, then stick with me to the end of this video so that you know from what I have done so far to make money from Amazon affiliate marketing. This video is titled Amazon Affiliate Marketing, how I made my first $200 through affiliate marketing on Amazon. Okay, so if this sounds like what you would like to know, let's get started. Okay, so here's my accounts. I just logged into my account now, my Amazon Associates account. And as you can see, this year, we've been able to generate as little as $123 from Amazon. So this is the year under review, current year 2023, from January to August. So as you can see now, we've been able to generate about $123. So let me scroll down. So you see, throughout the 8-month period, I'm using the 8-month period because the website I used to promote this Amazon affiliate program is just 8 months old. And within the 8-month period, I was able to generate this total amount of $123 as in commission from Amazon. So during the period under review, we were able to send about 869 clicks on my website to Amazon through my affiliate link, and then 55 orders were made by the traffic, and then 51 products were shipped, 5 products were returned, and the conversion is just 6.33%, meaning that out of all the 869 people that went to Amazon that went to Amazon website through my affiliate link, only 55 products were ordered for using my link, which is equivalent to about 6.33%. Total revenue Amazon cut from my promotion is $4,206, and the total earnings or the commission Amazon gave me is $123. So this is just the month-by-month breakdown. As you can see, in January, I earned 11.75, February 2.5, March 8.38, April $6.60, in May $0.14, in June $11.87, in July $57.76, and in August $24.01. So this is just a breakdown of the 8-month period in the year 2023 on just from just promoting the Amazon affiliate program on my website. I have other websites, but this is a new website, so that's why I'm using this period, month-by-month basis for the revenue. I was able to send to Amazon, and then I got a commission from each of these revenues. You should know that it is actually possible to make money on Amazon, and you can find this video very helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more, and share this video with friends and family so that you can also benefit. A little disclaimer before we begin. By the way, $100 is not the only amount of money to make Amazon affiliate marketing. I know of people that have made thousands of dollars on Amazon affiliate marketing. Also, I myself have made much more than $100 on affiliate marketing. I have some new websites that are making me a few thousands of dollars monthly through Amazon affiliate marketing. However, I consider $100 to be a golden figure. That's why I'm doing it. That is why I want to shoot this video to tell you how to make your first $100 through Amazon affiliate marketing. Okay, now with the disclaimer right out of the way, so let's get started. The very first thing you should do when it comes to making money through Amazon affiliate marketing is to sign up with Amazon affiliate marketing program, otherwise called the Amazon Associate program. For you to get started with Amazon affiliate marketing, it's important that you sign up with the Amazon Associates program, which is the Amazon affiliate marketing flagship program. It's also called the Amazon Associates. So I already created a video on how to start, on how to register with the Amazon Associates program. If you don't know how to do that, just make sure you watch the video to learn how to get started. I'll also be leaving the link in the description below so that you can watch the video and then sign up to the Amazon Associate Program. The very first thing you need to do is to sign up to the Amazon Associate Program. If you are new to Amazon Associate Program, I suggest that you watch my other video on how to start Amazon Affiliate Marketing, where I shared with you step by step on how you can sign up with Amazon Affiliate Associate Program. So that video, I'll link the video in the description below so that you can watch the video so that you can get to know. Secondly, after signing up with the Amazon Associate Program, it's important that you are able to generate sales, at least 3 sales a week. Next one is a little bit like in the next 6 months. Otherwise, Amazon will close your accounts. Let me also advise you that it's important that you always follow Amazon in terms of service each time you are promoting a product on Amazon, so that the products you are promoting are eligible to receive a commission, and then your account will not be closed. Also, by promoting the product on Amazon, do well to always inform your audience that the link you are giving them is an Amazon Associate link, or it's an Amazon referral program, and that you receive a commission from them for each qualifying sale, no extra cost to them. Next thing is actually to promote your Amazon Associate link. You can decide to promote your link in various methods. You can promote your link, your Amazon affiliate link on social media, maybe your YouTube, to Facebook, Twitter, or any other place you find necessary. But it is important that you inform your audience that the link you are providing them with is an Amazon affiliate link, and as such, you will receive the commission for each qualifying sale purchased the link on Amazon at no extra cost to them. Also, another popular way by which people promote their Amazon affiliate link is by posting that link on their own website or blog. Well, this is what I actually prefer, because I know that I'm in control of what happens on my own website, and nobody can delete the Amazon link I share on my website, because the website belongs to me. So I will encourage you as well to make sure that you have the blog or the website where you promote Amazon affiliate programs, because this is what I do and I've enjoyed it so far. But it's also important that you ensure that your website or blog is also agrees to the terms of service of Amazon. So let me now give you a brief hint on how to promote an Amazon affiliate link on your own blog or website. So the very first thing I would advise you is to create a self-hosted WordPress blog. If you don't know what WordPress is, WordPress is an open CMS or content management system where you can share posts, create content on the internet for people to read and learn from. It is actually free to create a WordPress website, but it is important that you know that your website has to be hosted, and usually the hosting is actually comes at a little token, maybe $5 to $10 per month, depending on the hosting you decide to go with. There are different hosting services, but I would recommend that you go with a hosting service that allows WordPress. By the way, most popular web hosting services allow WordPress hosting, and as such, you can go with them. Personally, I go with HostGator. So you may also want to try DreamHost, Bluehost, and the likes of them. They are all very good as well. Having set up the self-hosted WordPress website, the next thing is actually to write reviews and include your affiliate link within your post on your website, such that whenever your audience finds any of the reviews interesting and they want to buy the product, you just click on the Amazon affiliate link, and should they buy on Amazon, you get a commission from it. Also, the next thing is to create product comparison tables to showcase products and their features. You also want to create tutorials on how to guides the featured products that you're promoting on Amazon, such that whenever you have a file referring to Amazon, you receive a commission. And lastly, don't forget to promote your website, which will in turn drive traffic to your Amazon affiliate link. I hope this has been very helpful to you. If you find this video very helpful, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more and share this video with friends and family so you can also benefit. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.